Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start.
Dialogue 1, Unclear Assignment.
Hey, Maria. I'm a bit confused about the history essay assignment. Can you help me understand what we need to do?
Of course, Carlos. What specifically is confusing you?
I'm not sure if we're supposed to focus on a specific time period or if it's a general overview of a historical event.
Let me check the assignment sheet. Oh, it does seem a bit unclear. Maybe we can ask Mrs. Johnson for clarification.
That's a good idea. I don't want to submit the wrong thing. Thanks, Maria.
No problem, Carlos. It's always best to double check and make sure you're on the right track.
Dialogue 2, Noisy Construction Outside.
Hi, Jake. Did you notice the construction noise outside during history class today?
Yeah, it was so loud. I could barely hear what Mrs. Johnson was saying.
I know, right? I tried to concentrate, but it was really distracting.
Maybe we can ask Mrs. Johnson if she can move the class to a quieter room for the next session.
That's a good suggestion, Jake. I'll bring it up with her after class.
Hopefully, they finish the construction soon. It's disrupting our learning.
Dialogue 3, Power Outage During Lecture.
Hi, Sarah. Did you experience the power outage during the history lecture today?
Yeah, it was unexpected. The entire classroom went dark and the projector shut off.
Mrs. Johnson handled it well, though. She continued the lecture without the slides.
True, but it was a bit challenging to follow without visual aids.
Maybe she can share the slides with us online or provide a summary of what we missed.
That's a good idea. I'll suggest it to her after class.
Dialogue 4, Fire Drill Interruption.
Hi, Alex. Did you hear the fire alarm during the history exam today?
Yeah, it was so unexpected. We had to evacuate the building in the middle of the test.
I was in the middle of an essay question. I hope Mrs. Johnson takes that into consideration.
I'm sure she will. Maybe we can ask for additional time or clarification on the questions affected by the interruption.
Good point, Alex. I'll talk to her about it after the exam.
Dialogue 5, Internet Connectivity Issues.
Hi, Sophie. I was trying to do some online research for the history project, but the internet in the computer lab is so slow.
That's frustrating. Maybe you can try using a different computer or ask the teacher if there's a way to improve the internet speed.
I did try another computer, but it's the same issue. I'll talk to the teacher and see if there's a solution.
It's important to get reliable information for the project. Hopefully, they can fix the connectivity problem.
Agreed, Sophie. I'll address it with the teacher and see what can be done.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.